Are you having trouble locating the fuse box on your BYD ETP3? Wondering which fuse controls what in your van? In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about the fuse box, its location, fuse diagram, and how to troubleshoot common issues. Stay tuned and let's get started. Engine compartment fuse block. The engine compartment fuse box in the BYD ETP3 distributes power and protects circuits for key systems like cooling, lighting, ABS, and HVAC. It ensures safe operation by using fuses and relays to prevent overloads or short circuits.
Type of fuses: blade fuse, standard blade, fuse, mini blade fuse, maxi blade fuse, micro 2 fuse, micro 3 fuse, J-case fuse, glass tube fuse, AGC fuse, SFE fuse, ceramic fuse, Bosch fuse, DIN fuse, PAL fuse, low profile PAL fuse, standard PAL fuse, link fuse, mega fuse, high amperage link fuse, fuse conditions: blown fuse. A blown fuse means it's no longer functioning and needs replacement, while a perfect fuse is in good working condition and performing as expected. How to change fuses: turn off the vehicle, locate the fuse box, identify the faulty fuse, remove the faulty fuse, inspect and obtain a replacement, install the new fuse, test the replacement. Safety precautions: disconnect the battery, wear protective gear, use proper tools, check for correct amperage, avoid water exposure. If this guide on fuse box location and diagrams is helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.